y'all? It is Mama's King, Jasmine here, just to drop some real news, transparency, everything business. If you have a business, you're starting a business, if you need it, just the new information that's out here in the streets. No secrets kept at all here on this channel. So, if you want to hear anything about the new information that's out here to help your business grow, start a new business, or you just need some ideas to get going, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And without further ado, we're going to get straight into the video. So, today we are talking about ChatGPT. I've been seeing a lot here going on online about people now being able to use ChatGPT. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, it is an artificial intelligence website that people are using to start businesses, create businesses, continue their businesses, grow their businesses, is what I really mean to say, and develop good habits and good business practices. So that is what it is. People have been using it to create blog posts, for example, get video ideas, everything. Pretty much everything you can use it for. So we just want to jump right into the other alternatives that we have for ChatGPT. If you were able to log in within the past 24 hours, bless your heart. To the other people that weren't able to log in, still bless your heart because I'm going to give you some alternatives to ChatGPT. So, these types of websites have been around for some time now. A lot of people are just finding out about them. So the first one we're going to go over is Jasper, as you can see here up on my screen. Jasper, you'll just go to AI.com and you'll come to this website. Um, it is trusted by Airbnb, Google, and iHeartMedia. And the cool thing about Jasper is before you even start your free trial, because it is a paid service, unlike ChatGPT, before you start your free trial, it does take you through a little tutorial of how to use it. So start a chat with Jasper by asking a question or stating a command. And so list any of these following examples. The biggest one is write a blog post. So if you do have a business and you're trying to drive traffic to your website for sales or just drive traffic to your website to promote yourself or whatever your services are, you might need blogs. You might need to use Twitter. You might need to use Reddit, Quora. You might need to use any of these websites in order to get your business out there. Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. So it'll create a whole blog post for you. Other ideas, come up with a song. Like now, that's one thing that I didn't think about doing is like people that actually write music that's in the music industry. They might use AI systems to help expand their ideas. And remember, the AI system is not going to give you a creation. Like it's not going to give you an idea to, you have to already have something to put in to get something out. So you can refine that in step two, where you will just clarify and request. So continue your dialogue with clarifying info and refining your request. So for the first example is a word this email and a friendly tone of voice. I thought about like how we're at work sometime, and you might be irritated by a certain topic, your boss, your supervisor, one of your coworkers, and you send an email, and the tone of that email is not really coming off rude. You're not trying to be rude, but it's coming off that way. You could just put your whole email into Jasper, and it will recreate that email into a friendly, nice tone while still getting your point across. So that's one of the good things about it. If you don't want to say too much, you can shorten it. Um, if you want to know what Jasper thinks about it, you can ask Jasper. If you want to make it funny, you can add humor. And if you want to make it more clarifying, you can rewrite the email to be more clear and concise. And this is for anything like a blog post, video ideas, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Reels, Reddit, anything, Snapchat, whatever. So you can really take advantage of these AI systems if you haven't already known about it. Last step is all you're going to do is save that information so you can put to your computer, phone, tablet, whatever. Um, I would suggest using like a plagiarizing website just to put that information in there. If you're going to be using like writing a short story, a book, a blog post, you just want to make sure nobody else has that or something similar to that on their website. So that is it for Jasper. The next one is character.ai. Um, Website is just character.ai. This one, I don't have an account with. Honestly, for this one, this is more for like gamers. If you needed like faces or some realistic human type people for your website, you would use this website. Now, it is an AI system. That means artificial intelligence. So when you open up the website, it does have a little welcome page. It does say um, the characters can be offensive and they can say whatever they want. You can talk back and forth with them. So you can kind of create ideas based off of that as well. Um, yeah, you can go in there and play with that. The next one is Dalio.gpt. This one is at huggingface.co. So I was playing around with this one a little bit. I did realize that this one is more for like your experts, intermediate people that are into coding and things like that. I am not. So MySpace days are long gone. Bebo, if you ever heard of that, long gone. I'm not doing any coding. So for this one, you would need to code. So I did try it. It's not the same as ChatGPT or Jasper. So those are like my top two. This one, you basically just put questions in. It can talk back and forth with you. It's more like Siri or Alexa. It's more like that. The next one is Perplexity. I think this is just a souped up version of like Yahoo, like search or Google search or Bing search or any like search engine, just times like three or four. Um, Here's some, you can basically see how it answers the questions. It just answers the exact question that you asked in super complexity, and you don't get like search results for it. You get the exact answer for whatever you asked. So that's another one. And then last but not least, this is Chat Sonic. This is the one that a lot of people are preferring outside of Chat GPT. You can see here that they are basically claiming themselves to be the alternative for Chat GPT. This one is also known as Write Sonic. So in order to get the Chat Sonic, you would go to writesonic.com. And again, this is not free, so you would have to sign up in order to get the free trial, but there is no credit card required, so that is a good thing. Um, ChatSonic is pretty much basically the same thing as ChatGPT, but better. Um, and I read a lot of reviews about it. Again, I have not signed up for this. Maybe I'll do some videos of me signing up and actually using these and doing my own review on it. But I really just wanted to be transparent here, give you guys all the information. So if you want to see more videos like this,